King Colors are back in Sweden and they're visiting Linköping for a week, so I just had to go there. After uni, I dropped my bag off at home and went straight there to pick up a box that weighed 5 kilos. It was fun seeing other people examine the packages and deciding what to choose. And the people working there were also super sweet. Now, if you've been around for a while, you know that this isn't my first rodeo. Last time wasn't so great because I went the last day, so I'm assuming I just got like the leftovers. But they just opened today, so I was super excited to unbox everything. As you can tell, I literally just got in. I'm still freezing, but I'm so excited to open this box up, so we're gonna do it together. Just so you guys can see the size of this thing. Okay, so I had to flip them upside down because there's actually people's address on it, but I just wanted to show you how many packages we have. Okay, let's just start with the first one. Okay. Okay, so this is not really my style. Let's see the other one. It's giving a little bit Shein, but it's just the first package, so let's keep going. Number 2. Yeah, I think this is just the same thing. Okay, I don't think this is clothes. Guys, I don't know if... Okay, okay guys, so it's a bra and it's humongous, so I don't even have to show you that. Oh wait, okay. It's a vacuum cleaner. Oh, this is like great for the sofa or whatever. Okay, you know what? I'm not mad at this. On to the next one. I have no idea what this is. Does anyone understand what this is? I thought it was a tent at first, but it doesn't have any poles or anything to hold it up. Let's just move on. Oh, okay. Wi-Fi repeaters. Not 1, but 2. Okay, here's the heavy stuff. Oh, okay. I'm getting excited about anything at this point. This is furniture moving tools. I guess this will be good when I actually get some furniture. Okay, only 3 more, guys. Wait, one thing at a time. I know it's not an Apple Watch, but this is great. Not mad about this at all. Heart rate monitoring, step count, wireless charging. And in the same pack, these glasses came. Wait, why is there a charger? Calls Music Sports. Wait, what? Okay, these are gonna be so ugly on me, but are you joking? Yeah, this is giving no. I really need to look up what all these things are worth because this was actually a bit crazy. Only these 2 left. Let's do the big one first. Is this a thermos? Stop. I've been wanting to get a big one. Stop it. Guys, stop. You know, during the summer, I just love being out in the nature. Oh, as in like if you want to carry it. You know, who needs a mini Kelly when you have this? Last one now. It's a camera. Oh my god, and it's pink. Okay, I know it's for kids, but it's still a camera. Photo taking, video recording, continuous shooting. This is like... Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did because I actually had a blast doing this. Now for the most important question, would you be happy if you unboxed these things?